Hey guys, so I'm going to be barbecuing in the grill today. I'm going to be trying out a new tool, and it's this thermometer. We'll give it a shot. All right, so let's take a look at what's in this box. It's Vicseed A1 Smart Wireless Thermometer. All right, see what's in here. All right, well, it comes charged. I can see it. And let's see, here's the thermometer, and this is what you stick inside the meat itself, the probe. So it's a good size, good length. It's like ceramic or something around here. I guess that's the charging docking part. But you could see this is unique because there's actually a display here. Oops. And that display gives you the temperature. Now, my other wireless thermometer, I have to open up the app to see the temperature, so I always have to be near the app. But this, you don't have to use the app because you could just look into this thermometer screen right there, and that tells you what it is without the app. All right, so here's the manual. So that basically makes it easier because a lot of these smart thermometers, you need to have an app to actually use them well. But this one, I'll be using that display today. So let's give it a shot. Okay, it comes also with, it's like a USB cable, compact USB cable. It uses USB-C, so there's A to C cable. All right, so I'm gonna download the AR meter app, and once that installs, we could try it out. All right, let's sync up the device and then give it a shot. So it already recognizes this, so we'll connect it. All right. 79.5, and it's 79.5 there, so looks like it's synced up. So let's start cooking. So we got some nice pieces of steak. I'm gonna insert the probe, and let's set up the app. All right, so let's start the cooking. Gonna go with beef, medium rare. Start cooking. Okay, I inserted the probe already. Okay. I have to keep the dock within 10 feet of it because it communicates with it. Don't remind me again. All right, sounds good. Let's put in the meat. All right, let's get these steaks on. They're gonna cook up nicely. So over here, the thermometer and my app. So let's come back and see what it says after a while. All right, so I forgot to mention, I'm gonna cook it on low for a while to let it cook on the inside, and then I'm gonna sear it at the end. We'll keep that nearby, and then we'll monitor the app. All right, it's getting a little warmer, and I'm going to flip it. Remember, I'm slowly cooking it and then searing it at the end. Of course, if I don't want to use the app, I can always use this, which is really nice. And it looks like it syncs up really nicely. All right, so it tells you the food temperature and the ambient temperature. Target's 134, ambient's 152 right now, internal of the food, 88.3. All right, so now I'm gonna turn up the flame. Turn it up. And start searing it a little bit more. All right, 93. See the way they look. Flip them over. All Alright, we're getting close, 108. That's the way the steaks look. Looks like we're getting there. 133.3. Let's see what happens when it goes to 134. Alright, so we got this alarm saying it's done. To remove from the heat. Red. Alright, we'll let that sit for a little bit and then we'll cut it up. Alright, you can see it heated up after it's been sitting. So let's cut it up and take a look at it. Let's cut them up, see what it looks like.
Yeah.
No.
Is it raw crab or is it cooked?
That's the medium rare.
Raw.
Not too bad.